Alright, I don't know how well you can hear me right now. It's pretty rough and windy out today. But welcome back to Southwest Louisiana Saltwater. Today I'm back out on the beach, hoping that these rough conditions can produce some good fish. I got 3 rods set up for cut bait. I'm going to be using some cut up croaker that I caught last night. And then so pretty much I just got to get them baited up and cast out, and hopefully it produce some fish. Alright, we're on. Feels pretty decent, whatever it is. What is that? Is that a red? No, that's a gaff top. Well, you wouldn't be surf fishing if your first fish wasn't a gaff top, right? Pretty big one too. Probably one of the bigger gaff tops I've ever caught. Let's get him back. Oh, big hit, big hit. There it is. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh yeah, this is a big fish, big fish. I'm thinking it's a big red. Got a lot of head shakes. Almost got it. Ooh, it's pulling. It's right there. I just gotta get it in. Yeah, that's a big red. That is just a massive redfish right there. Whew, that thing put up a pretty good little fight. Ugh. Gonna get a measurement on this one. It's pretty big. It's been quiet all morning. All we got was that one gaff top to start the day. It's a 40-inch redfish. Well, yeah, it's a 40-inch fish right here. Just a big, beautiful 40-inch redfish. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get her back. Oh, look at that massive fish right there. A big old fish. Whew. These things put up such a good fight. All right, let's get her back. She's gone. She's good. Now that was a good fish. That's only a couple inches shy of my biggest. She swam back pretty well, so she'll be fine. Whew. That's always exciting. It's just been haven't caught anything for the couple hours I've been out here, except one little gaff top, and then all of a sudden that. Get your blood flowing. All right. Something there. I was just coming over here to reel in and check to make sure there's still bait on, but there's something there. Ooh, it's big. Another good size red. Be a perfect way to end the day. What we got? What we got? That's a gar. That's a big gar. That's a first for me. I never caught a gar off the beach before. Oh, this is really cool, y'all. I knew you could catch them off the beach, but I've actually personally never caught one. It's a good sized gar too. Let's try and get this big guy unhooked. Tore him up pretty badly. Guy's not gonna make this easy, is he? Oh, he almost got me. I wasn't wearing shoes, he would have just had my foot. Alright. Look here, big guy, I'm gonna need you to relax. Never actually had to handle one this big before. He is strong and not happy. I'm pretty sure this is an alligator gar, if I'm not mistaken. What up? Can I get some help? You take this and hold his mouth open for me? Thank you. All right. Thank you. bigger than my stick. I gotta get my tape. Gonna get my tape to measure that guy. He's bigger than my stick, which is 40 inches. Thanks for the help. Inches. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get a picture with this guy because I've never caught one before, and I'm gonna go ahead and release him. All right, I'm gonna try to get him rinsed off for the picture. Hope he cooperates. Want to get the fish grips on them to control them while I rinse them off. These guys got a crazy bite force on them. Just look at the teeth on that guy. Alright, that should be enough rinsing for the picture. Whew. That is a prehistoric fish right there. Those scales are thick. Alright, I got my picture. I'm gonna let this big guy go. And he's gone. That's amazing. I've never caught one of those off the beach before, and I've never caught one that big. That's just an amazing prehistoric fish right there. I would probably still be trying to get him unhooked if it wasn't for that guy's help. Whew. Oh, that was exciting. That was my first gar ever off the beach, and it was 45 inches is what it came out to be from nose to tail. Oh, my hands are shaking because I was so excited. That makes me kind of want to stay a little longer. I was packing up for the day, but I think I might stick out. Stick out and stay a little longer, I guess. Anyone who catch something like that would want to stay longer, huh? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rebait up these two rods. I didn't even know that gar was on there. I was just reeling in to check lines because crabs have been pretty bad today. He was there. Like, I don't know how long he's been on the line or if he just happened to decide to take it when I was reeling it in. But I am grateful he was there because that was a fun fight. And it's such an amazing fish to see. that's everything. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.